Everyone, so today I have my colorful chemistry kit. Why don't we take a look on how to set up our lab? Let's look at it together. So I have my booklet here with the instructions inside, and it tells me that I should take my mess mat, this is my mess mat, and lay it on my workspace where I'm going to work. Let's get to it. And then I'm going to take my beaker, this is my beaker, and put it on the yellow circle that says beaker. Can you see it? There's the yellow circle that says beaker. So I put it on that yellow circle that says beaker. This is the beaker. It has a beak, like a bird. And then it tells me to put all my color jars, my mixing jars, on the circles. What color is this? It's blue, you're right. So I should put it on my blue circle, like so. Can you see? There we go. Next, I should do what color is this? My red circle. I should put my red circle on my mat, just like this. And then I have this color. What color is this? It's yellow. I should put my yellow circle on my mess mat. Now, after you have the jars on top of your mat, you want to find the stir stick. It looks like a popsicle stick, a white popsicle stick. Here it is, and you can place it right on the mat where it says stir stick. And then, that's it. Let's check. Let's check the instructions. And then you want to unscrew all of the caps for your jars. My mat won't lay flat. So I'll unscrew the yellow cap and leave it on the yellow jar, the yellow spot. I'll unscrew the blue cap and then the red cap. And I'll just put them right in front of each other for while I work. So for the next part, we're going to place the beaker in the middle of our mess mat where it says tray. And then we're going to grab this packet that says baking soda. It says baking soda. And pour it inside. So you may need your mommy or your daddy to help you. You can open it up and pour it inside. It's going to go inside the beaker, just like that. Now the next thing we're going to open up and pour inside the beaker is something called citric acid. Now this one we have to be pretty careful with. It's the green. Now our book says that it's safe to handle, but it may sting if you have a cut. So if you have a cut, you might want to rinse your hands or make sure it's covered. Okay. So let's open the citric acid. I opened my citric acid, and now I'm going to pour it into my beaker. Pour, pour, pour. Now that packet's empty. Next, I'm going to use this stir stick and stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir, stir till it's all mixed up. Stir, stir, stir. Once I'm finished stirring, I'm going to put it back where it belongs on my mat. Now we have all these packets with these colors, and we're going to put them in their jars. So I'm going to grab the red jar that's on the red circle. I'm going to tilt this so you can see. See, it was on the red circle. And now I'm going to pour it inside of this jar. I can wrap this a little bit so you can see a little better. And I'm going to pour it into my jar. This goes inside the red jar. And pour, pour, pour. Look at that powder. It's all red. Is it all out? Let's see. Shake, shake, shake to shake it all out. Now I think that packet is empty. I'm going to put it to the side and put it back where the red jar was. Next color. What color is this? It's blue, like Alicia's nails. So now I'm going to pour it into the blue jar. And I will pour, 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 pour. And I'll lift it up so you can see. Pour, 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 pour. And shake, shake, shake to make sure the packet is empty. I think it's empty. Now I have one pack left. What color is this? It's yellow. So let's pour it into the yellow jar. And I will pour, pour, pour. Pour, pour, pour. And shake, shake, shake to make sure the packet is empty. Now let's look at our jars again. We have the red jar with the red powder. You have the blue jar with the blue powder. And then we have the yellow jar with the yellow powder. Now my instructions say I'm supposed to take this large scoop. It's bigger than the other ones, and take 4 scoops from the beaker jar and put it into each of these cups. So let's do it together. Can you count with me as I scoop? Let's start with the red jar. That's 1. That's 2. 3. And 4. Red jar is filled with the 4 scoops. And we can do it for each of them. So let's do it for the blue jar. Let's scoop. That's 1. That's 2. 3. And 4. So that's 4 scoops in the blue jar. Now let's finish with the yellow one. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we have scoops in all of our jars. We have some of the Beaker mixture in all of our jars. Now let's look at the instructions again. It says the next step is to put the lids back on the jars and shake them, shake them, shake them. So I'll put the cap that has the red mixture on it, put it on the jar that's on the red spot, and I'm just gonna shake it, 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 shake it. Red mixture's finished. Now I have the blue cap. We can put it on the blue jar, and then we can shake it, 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 shake it. That's all mixed up. And then we have the yellow mixture cap. We'll put it on the yellow mixture, and we'll do what? That's right, we'll shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Now all of our jars are mixed. Now that all of our jars are mixed up, we're gonna unscrew the cap. Turn, turn, turn. And put one of these small scoops into the jar. See, this is the big one, and this is the small one. You should have 3 of the small ones. So, 1 baby scoop for red jar. 1 baby scoop for blue jar. Unscrew yellow jar. And 1 baby scoop for yellow jar. next step in our book calls for us to use this thing. What's this called? We use it at school sometimes. It's a spray bottle. So I'm going to unscrew the cap from my spray bottle and pour some water inside. Sometimes it helps to use a funnel. Elise's going to try and not make a big mess without her funnel. If I spill it, that's okay. I'm going to fill up my bottle all the way. I'll pour super, super slowly. Super, super slowly. Until my spray bottle is full. There, and now my spray bottle is full. I'll screw on the cap. And then I'm going to put it on my mat where it says spray bottle. It's a green dot. And now this thing also has to go on our mat. I don't think we've seen one of these before. It's called a flask. Let's put the flask on our mat. That goes on a green dot. There's something else I forgot to add. These things, these trays. We're going to put the tray where it says tray. They're clear, so there should be a bunch of them for each of our experiments. So I'm going to put the clear tray where it says tray, and that's it. Our lab's all set up.